YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. This is Jasenia, and in this channel and our growing family, I do post videos on cooking and also baking recipes are also listed here. So be sure to subscribe to this growing YouTube family and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. But today's occasion, I'll be showing you how to make easy breakfast bombs for on the go. And these you can fill with sausage, egg, potatoes, cheese, ham, you name it. In this occasion though, I did stuff them with chorizo, potatoes, cheese, egg. But in reality, the possibilities are endless with this. I have made pizza bombs before, adding in mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, and the pizza seasonings. And let me tell you, these come out so good with whatever you stuff them with. So I invite you to try it right at home. What you want to do is lay out the biscuit on one side and then the other, and just roll it out on both sides there, sort of like of a tortilla, and then you'll go ahead and stuff it with whatever you would like, and then you pinch the ends on the top there and flip it over and set it on your pan. Of course, you will want to give it an egg wash to give it that brown look, a golden brown look, and then you'll want to go ahead and bake at 350 degrees for only 14 minutes, and that's all it takes to make these. And I'm sure your family will enjoy these as well, but this is what it should start looking like here. And it's that quick and easy. Our breakfast bombs are ready to eat. So this is what it looks like when it's cut into, nice and cheesy. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more videos and baking and cooking recipes there. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys. Thanks for stopping by.